This is UPR part number 2001-04. It's our Elite or Street Series upper control arm for 79-04 Mustangs. Just a really great, very popular control arm in that it bolts right in like the factory piece. It's non-adjustable, so you don't have to worry about pinion angle. It's tubular Chrome Moly, TIG welded. It's made American and has a lifetime guarantee. Not only does it have the extra gusset here to reinforce the axle side of the arm, it has an energy suspension bushing package on the body side that has a 1-inch inner diameter with fluted bushings there that just can handle a ton of load. Plus it's larger outer diameter, which also contributes to the power handling. These come pre-greased, but we do include a Zerk fitting so that years down the road, if you need to top off the grease, it's very easy to just hook up a grease gun and shoot it in there and you're good to go. So check out these UPR upper control arms for your street car. They're a great value. They improve the performance, increase the traction, and they're available at uprproducts.com or in the UPR Products dealer.